Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit your profile on the 24 fps video filters and editor application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, tap on the settings icon and click on edit profile. As you can see, you can select a profile picture by tapping on the change photo icon. You have the chance to take a picture with your phone or select one from your gallery. You can change your username by typing it in and tap on the save button down below. You can write a few things about yourself, so your bio up to 150 characters. You can attach your TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, YouTube and Snapchat accounts to your profile by adding your username so that other users of this application can find you and follow you. So basically that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.